Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're doing something a little bit different. We have a 12-degree tool. That means that the side rake is 12 degrees. The top rake is 12 degrees. The front rake is still 10 degrees. I didn't alter that, but both the top and the side rakes are at 12 degrees on this. And what I got in here is a piece of 1/4 inch C110 Copper. Copper's just notoriously messy to machine. It loves to gall and drag into tools, and you gotta have like your speeds just right and your feeds just right. And anyways, I'm trying to combat a little bit of that with this 12-degree tool. And stand by. I already have dialed in a 2000s cut here, slightly interrupted on the end because this is a piece of scrap copper. And as long as you don't get too aggressive with this, it shears that copper right off. Now, this is 2000s depth of cut. I got 685 RPMs. I tried to turn it a little bit faster, and for whatever reason, it's no joy there. So I'm basically giving it a modest speed right this second, and it is peeling the copper off. Now, we got quite a bit of extension there, so I'm expecting there is quite a bit of deflection going on. The interrupted cut at the beginning too is probably also a factor here. But this 12-degree tool does not appear to be having issues with it. Now, even in the interrupted section of the cut, the finish isn't bad. Even this piece of copper is probably bouncing around a little bit just from the deflection, because we got a double the diameter stick out here, maybe a little bit more, and it's not ideal, but not undue. Yeah, so it's nice finish there. Let's go ahead and take another pass here. Now, I was trying to take some passes at greater than 4,000ths, and that turns into a real shit show real quick. So, my advice to you, if you're going to turn copper, keep your tool moving. Don't dwell at any one place for any one time. Now this was about half of a hash mark, so I'm assuming it was a 1,000th cut. Now, this 12-degree tool is very, very, very sharp. That is a prerequisite for most turning of copper. I've not turned a tremendous amount of it, but the mistakes that I've already made have solidified that. So if you keep a sharp tool, speed relatively low depth of cut, you can successfully machine C110 on a Unimat lathe. Thank you very much for watching.